change its taste. You say we should keep driving. I kill the radio instead. There's a storm on the horizon, and it's louder in my head. First drop on the windshield, like a promise, sharp and strange. Every breath turns electric, like tonight we're gonna change. I'm smelling the rain before it falls, right on the edge of losing it all. Like silver in the air says we won't be the same. I'm holding my breath. I'm smelling the rain. I'm smelling the rain. Oh, yeah. I'm smelling the rain. Neon sign in the distance flickers once, then it's gone. Your hand shakes on the gear shift like it's trying to hang on.